Bitcoin is poised to reach a new all-time high. According to prediction markets like Polymarket, BTC is on track to hit $100,000 by the end of November. A combination of institutional support, favorable political developments following Donald Trump's victory, and strong market fundamentals are fueling bullish sentiments. But can BTC actually reach six figures this week? 1. Institutional investment. As the cryptocurrency's demand continues to rise, more and more institutional investors are making the leap into Bitcoin. According to a recent report by Fidelity, 65% of institutions with more than $1 billion in assets said they plan on increasing their allocations to digital assets. As more traditional investors make the move into crypto, the price of Bitcoin will continue to increase, paving the way for the coin to hit $100,000. However, there are still several factors that need to be considered before this milestone can be achieved. First, there needs to be a significant amount of institutional investment into the cryptocurrency. Aside from the fact that this type of investment will bring in new money, it will also help to stabilize the market, preventing a potential price crash. Second, the price of Bitcoin is largely driven by investor sentiment. A positive investor outlook will likely push the price of BTC higher, which could ultimately lead to a larger bull run across the entire crypto industry. The final factor that will drive the price of Bitcoin is political developments. If the US government adopts pro-crypto policies, it will likely boost investor confidence in the cryptocurrency and fuel further gains. Despite the bearish sentiment in the markets, experts like Parv Hundal from SwiftX are optimistic that the Bitcoin price will surge into the six figures in the near future. However, the road to $100,000 is not an easy one, and many analysts believe that it will take a lot of work for the Bitcoin price to reach this goal. However, if everything goes well for the cryptocurrency, it may be able to break the $100,000 barrier in the next few months. 2. Political development. As the cryptocurrency market continues to grow, it has come to be recognized as a powerful store of value. The underlying technology behind Bitcoin is stable, secure, and has proven itself to be reliable over time. These factors are bolstering investor confidence and driving further gains in the price of the crypto. The current trajectory is largely driven by the convergence of institutional investment, political developments, and growing adoption. One of the most significant drivers for the rise in Bitcoin is its emergence as a global reserve currency. This is especially true for developing markets, where the cryptocurrency can be used as a means of financial inclusion and economic stability. Additionally, it can act as a form of alternative insurance against the volatility of local currencies and inflationary pressures. In the US, the Trump administration has also shown a positive stance towards the crypto industry. As a result, there is renewed optimism that the US government will continue to adopt policies that are favorable toward new technologies like Bitcoin. Moreover, the recent halving event has reduced the supply of the cryptocurrency, which is also encouraging demand. Furthermore, the approval of the Bitcoin ETF by the SEC is a significant factor that will fuel further gains in the price of BTC. These factors are pointing to a likely future in which the Bitcoin price will reach $100,000. However, it is important to note that it is unlikely for the price to surpass this mark in a short period of time. The price of the digital asset will increase gradually over time, as it becomes a more widely held form of payment and investment. Additionally, the price of Bitcoin will be constrained by a number of factors, such as short-term volatility and leveraged trading. 3. Strong market fundamentals. The recent surge in Bitcoin prices has investors and analysts giddy with excitement. However, the elation is tempered by concerns over the market structure and potential short-term corrections. Nevertheless, most experts believe that $100,000 is within sight. The key factors driving the bullish sentiment include institutional investment, favorable political developments stemming from Donald Trump's election win and his promise to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve, and strong demand-side fundamentals. The latter are further boosted by the halving event earlier this year, which cut the reward for mining new Bitcoin blocks in half and tightened the supply of the digital currency. The reduced supply sparked price increases, which could continue as the crypto continues to gain acceptance by mainstream financial markets. Furthermore, the market's cyclical nature hints at another wave of upward momentum for Bitcoin. As seen in previous cycles, the price of the cryptocurrency tends to rise after an extended downtrend. The recent bearish trend, which has lasted for months, may have exhausted the bull's resilience and fueled the desire to return to highs. In addition, the looming launch of Bitcoin ETFs by major institutions is a significant boost for investor confidence and the price. The ETFs will open the door to traditional investors, which will provide a strong boost for the demand side of the equation and push BTC to the $100,000 mark. Additionally, the upcoming altcoin season could also help propel Bitcoin's price upward. As history has shown, when Bitcoin rallies, other cryptocurrencies experience exponential growth as well. This has the potential to be a game changer, and the success of Bitcoin in reaching the $100,000 milestone can lead to a broader rally throughout the crypto landscape. 4. Short-term volatility. It's difficult to turn on a crypto news site without reading an analyst, investor, or fan's opinion of how high Bitcoin can go. But the truth is, no one really knows how high BTC can climb, as it is a highly volatile asset. Bitcoin's price fluctuates based on supply and demand, investor and user sentiments, government regulations, media hype, and more. These factors often lead to short-term volatility, with prices moving up and down over the course of days or even hours. On the surface, this type of volatility can be intimidating and may discourage investors from investing in cryptocurrency. However, in the long term, it can actually work in your favor. Volatility provides an opportunity to purchase cryptocurrency at lower prices, as it allows you to take advantage of market momentum. It also helps to minimize your exposure to risk, and it can give you a better sense of the true price of an investment. Another reason why volatility is a positive thing for the crypto industry is that it often coincides with low seller energy, which is typically when the price bottoms out and begins to methodically rise. Additionally, it is also a sign that there are more buyers than sellers in the marketplace, and this can be a great time to invest. With all of these reasons and more, there is a strong likelihood that Bitcoin will reach a new at this week. This could then trigger a rally in emerging pre-sale coins, like Pepe Unchained, $PEPU, Cat Slap, $Slap, Crypto All-Stars, $Stars, Flockers, $Flop, and Freedom Fighters, $Dump. Want to buy Bitcoin with your bank account? Changelly makes it easy and fast with competitive rates. 5. Altcoin season. The crypto market is a highly volatile place, and it moves in cycles between phases dominated by Bitcoin and those where altcoins, alternative cryptocurrencies, see significant price gains. This cycle is referred to as altcoin season. While predicting when the next altcoin frenzy will begin isn't an exact science, there are several factors that indicate its imminent arrival. One common indicator is the market's reaction to the latest news and developments in specific altcoins. Another is a sudden influx of institutional investment. Finally, the emergence of new exchange products often triggers a spike in trading volumes. A good altcoin should have a dedicated user base, a working product, and a clear roadmap. It should also be backed by a credible team with industry experience. In addition, it should have a clear competitive advantage that allows it to compete with existing digital assets. It should also be able to sustain its growth in the long term without relying on speculation or pump and dump tactics. While many investors invest in altcoins for their potential to grow exponentially, the key to a successful cryptocurrency investment is to stick with your plan. If you buy into an altcoin during alt season, it's likely that you will lose money if prices correct later on. While the future of Bitcoin is uncertain, some traders believe that it could hit $100,000 by the end of this year. These predictions are based on a number of factors, including growing institutional demand, cooling interest rates, and the potential for a paradigm shift in the cryptocurrency space. However, it is important to remember that predicting Bitcoin's price is a risky endeavor, and you should always perform your own research before making any investments.